Hello everybody, welcome to my collective December haul. I'm actually starting this haul off a little bit early just because I need some items from this order to film another video right now. So I'm just going to show you this quick Plannahannah order and then you'll see the rest of the video when you see it. But yes, I did place an order with Plannahannah. I do have a code with Hannah. You can use the code Fantasy15 to save 15%, or just put Fantasy or Kirsten in the notes if she's already running a sale to get my freebie. But I have a decently sized order here to kind of get me through my October spread. So I wanted to share what I got with you guys so I can film my plan with me that I need it for. So at first we do have a journaling card in the back here. Very cute. And then I do have some freebies. I have a little like die cut freebie, daily reminder, you deserve love, care, and support. Very cute. This is actually my current freebie. You'll get it in a random foil. This one to me gives me very like magenta vibes. Honestly, all my systems are nervous. I thought that was hilarious. Some cute little sparkles and a read and tired AF in, I don't know what font that is, but I really like that one. And then this was the all orders freebie at the time. So you have this underlay. This is in like her shattered hollow, which is really pretty, of the like groovy Santas, which I actually think I might get for one of my spreads. I'm not too sure yet, but that's really cute. Some little Christmas icons, and then these little what are these, like Christmas lights that have like text on them. So this one says family time and this one says baking, which is really cute. Okay, I did order one custom script because we did just recently start watching Yellow Jackets. I needed to have it. This is in font 15. Obviously needed to have. I did get a couple more days of the week that I was running low on. I don't know if I've ever gotten matte silver, but I did figure that that would kind of be a good, like decent core foil to have for the days of the week. So these are in font 5, and then I just re-upped on the Pixie Hollow because I was running low on those. As far as quotes, I only got one. No, I did get a couple. No, I got one sheet of quotes. These are in matte silver. They're the witch quotes to go with, actually I think the spread I'm about to do, but I just needed these like magical witch quotes, so I got those. And then also to go with the spread I'm about to do, I got 2 sets of underlays. I did bring out my, oh, I don't have it out because it's already in my planner. But anyway, you'll see that spread before you see this. I got 2 sets of underlays. This is the solid in burgundy. And then these are the stars and moons in matte silver to go on top of those. I thought that would look really good. So this is all for one spread. I guess technically this too. And I'm very excited about that. And then I did, like I said, I brought out my little kit binder. Oh my gosh, it always goes right out of focus as soon as I like move my hand away. I don't know why. We'll just put this here for a second and try and bring her on back. She's trying. Just give her a couple love taps and eventually she'll make it back, right? Okay, we'll come back. Okay, we're kind of back. Okay, so next I have, let's see. I think these 2 are for a spread. This one's here, the Heavenly Halloween. I got the solid underlays in the nickel, which is like kind of, it's like a silver, but it's like a taupey silver. Oh, it's like a shiny. You can see me. Hey, yo. And then I have these, which are the moths in ice to go over them, and that is for the Heavenly Halloween. So I'll just probably pop that right in there. So it's there. And then for this House of Horrors kit, I just got these solid underlays in Hunter Green because I am using this like orange, if you can see it, to go with those. And then lastly, for the Screamathon kit, I got a bundle here with an extra sheet. So this is the bundle. It's the 90s Ghost bundle. So I got this in Pixie Orange. So you have these cute headers and some icons, the scripts, date numbers, hole reinforcers, and corners. It comes with these quote overlays, which is perfect. Your bottom washi, some flags, what is that called? Solid? I said solid, but it's not. Stroke box, and some like little ghost echoes, and then 2 of the 90s Ghost underlays. And I did also get the shine mixed, which is new overlays, because I like the quote overlays, but not on every box. So I figured this would be nice to kind of mix in, and that is for this Screamathon kit. So that was just an order I placed to kind of get me through October, and I need to place an order soon to get me through the rest of the year. But that is my little haul then from Plannahannah. Alrighty, I'm here with the last part of this haul. It is very kit heavy. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kits here to show you, and all of a sudden we're out of focus. But I'm gonna get started with this order here. This is from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I have never ordered from Pink Diamond Planner Co. before, but I had been following them on Instagram. They posted that they were closing and that they were doing a 50% off their entire shop sale, and I was like, now's the time. Everything is pretty cheap. So I went on, I ordered this stuff back in October, so it did take a little bit to get to me, but that's kind of expected, I guess, with sale orders, especially with a closing shop. I don't know. Anyways, I expected it to take a little bit of time. So I got 4 kits. I'm really excited about these. I was hoping to be able to maybe like smudge these 2 into the lineup, but they just came too late and I had already had kits planned then, but I'm still going to show you them. I'll actually show you those 2 first because they're super cute. So I think I did get all the exclusive, or not all the exclusive, but I think these are all exclusive Darcy art, which I'm obsessed with. But anyway, this is the August 2023 mystery. It is called Pastel Fall. And this is really cute. I don't know, I love Darcy art in general, but I love this like flat lay here. I just like all the pumpkins and stuff. It's very cute, very pastel, pretty. This is the deco page here. You have some labels, a weekend banner, a couple of movie marquees, some work labels, and then these like glittery labels. I'll go for the format with you just because if you're with me on my channel, I haven't shown these kits before. So, and I mean, you can't even get them now, which is, I'm sorry. But anyway, it was a sale. This page here is a bunch of labels and like half boxes. So they have like glitter stroke around, which is cute. This one has a scene, these ombre weekly checklists, glitter headers, some squared boxes, labels, ombre heart checklist, habit trackers, flags, I guess more solid labels here. What are these? Interesting. Just like little washi bits. Interesting. And then like the pattern version. Your washi page, an extra full box and date covers, and then I did add on the fashion options, or maybe this came with it because it was a mystery. I know for a few of them I added on fashion options because I mean, the reason I love these kits, to be quite honest, like this is gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but these fashion options are so good from Darcy. Love her. So I was like, yeah, needed that. So this is the Pastel Fall kit. Definitely gonna get saved for the future, especially because like this year, or oh my gosh, 2024, I used so many fall kits. Then this one here is really cute. This is a November 2023 mystery. It's called Nutcracker. This is very like classic Christmas. Again, I had thought I would have enough space for it, but then last minute, a bunch of people came out with some really great Christmas art, so that was nice. But again, this is Darcy art. I love this. Like, this is so pretty. I love the Nutcracker. The freaking rats. They're so cute. I love these colors. I just like the pink. I love pink with Christmas. I think it looks so good. The scene is great. I love that. Like the patterns, a candy cane pattern would be really good with this. Even like the bows would be really cute with this. Oh, that's so cute. I don't think I've ever seen okay, this is, why am I calling myself out like this? I don't think I've ever seen any like I mean, I've seen the Nutcracker ballet. I've never seen any classic Nutcracker. The first Nutcracker movie I guess I've ever seen is the Barbie version. A classic. Anyway, here's the fashion options. Her red outfit is everything. But these fashion boxes are so good. And I love that there's a scene included. Because, you know, can't get enough of those. So that is this kit. The Nutcracker kit. The next one that I got here, this is Spooky Party. I needed this. This was just kind of everything. He is so cutie. I love those freaking cookies. Like, oh, and this is the one I added. I added a fashion to this one. So I'll show that, I guess, at the end. But yeah, so love this. I love Darcy art so much, and I think this just looks so good. And I love this little spread here. The colors are good. I actually really like the light purple with this. I think it's really pretty. Love these. Oh, I love that option of, I guess you could pick your favorite. Or you could just use both, like me. I'll probably do that. Love that like watercolor pattern, marbled pattern. That'd be a fun option for underlays. Sorry. Then there's the washi, and then this is the fashion option. This is amazing. I love all these. Oh my god, they're all so good. Obsessed. So this is Spooky Party. It was kind of hard to narrow down because I was like really specifically looking at all the exclusive arts because like For the most part, everything else I got from like SPC or Crest Press. And so there was a lot of really good ones. Let's slide you back in. Goodness gracious. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then the last kit that I got from that Pink Diamond Planner Co. closing sale. This is the December 2023 mystery. This is 90s throwback. Poof. I needed this because I'm pretty sure that, yeah, the fashion and everything for this was just so good. Okay, so this was a mystery. So I think all of these came with the kit. I'll show you guys those last, but here's the full boxes. Like, are you kidding? You're kidding. Like, this is so cute. I also love the old school keyboard. Please remember to rewind. Love that. Colors are great. Oh, I love mustard. It's like one of my favorite colors. Love the bedroom. Oh, that was like the bedroom of my dreams to have like the under the... Oh, I was so jealous of everybody that had that. Let's see. And then here's the... There's a little bit of lining in the washi, like the printer was off a little bit, but that'll get covered with foil, so I'm not too worried. Also, did anybody else really desperately want one of those blow-up couches? One of my besties had one when I was a kid, and I was so freaking jealous. Here's a little freebie option scene here with Clueless, the Titanic. Oh, look at her. Obsessed with her. And then here's some fashion options. Everything. So yeah, that was my... I guess closing sale order from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I'm sorry you can't get any of these again, but you know what? These are amazing. So next I have a couple of SPC kits. I've been obsessed with these. Okay, I'll start with the custom exclusive art one first. This is called Pixelated Love. Are you joking? You're joking. I love everything about this. I love how intensely purple it is, and then you get the pops of red. I got chills. This is such a good kit. Such a good kit. Okay, let me show you the kit first, then I'll show you all the extras. So this is the kit freebie. You can choose your skin tone. Are you joking? You're joking. This is so good. I love the like hollow glitter stroke because it's so pretty. I love the patterns. Oh, I love the 90s patterns so much. And then, oh, it's so good. So I couldn't decide with this kit as far as extras go. So first and foremost, I had to get Fam 3 because like this is like the best box ever. I did get the pattern boxes because, again, couldn't decide. Doodles, this is like my norm, okay? This is where things went a little rogue. I don't normally bring home the labels, but I was like, do I want to bring in red? Do I want to bring in blue? I don't know. So I grabbed both because I don't know. It might be a game day decision, but I needed to have them. Definitely getting used in February at some point. I haven't even thought about a February lineup quite yet, so that is just, it's going to get tossed in and it'll get used then. Next up we have, these next two kits are getting used in January. I'm so excited. This is Toasty. Are you kidding me? This art is so good. These girls are so cute. I love a good green kit. Green's my favorite color, and so I'm obsessed with this. Here's the freebie, another scene. Actually, it's not another because there is the scenes in here, but it's another skin tone option. The deco. Oh, see? Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I love the groovy checkered pattern. This is so good. Anyways, so that is the initial kit. Here are the extras. I had to get fashion too. Is it raining? I think it's raining outside. The patterns, love that groovy, and the doodles. That's my huge, okay? That's my huge. So that is the Toasty kit. This is definitely getting used in January. I already have a spot open for it, so I am gonna just slide that right in and be very excited. And then last but not least, from SPC and for this haul, this kit that is also getting used in January. This is Frosted Dreams. Again, are you joking, Kittenish Dress? Do you see what you're doing here? This is everything. These colors, oh my god. When she sneaked this art, you guys, I literally tried not to combust. It was so beautiful. Here's the freebie. So cute. Love that. You're literally, oh, this is SPC's new format, by the way. So a couple sheets are different. The deco sheet is different. You do have date numbers now, which is really fun. So cute. I love these patterns so much. I love the snowflakes. And then the little swan, so pretty. And then this sheet is also different. These are a little smaller. You get some extra labels, another little extra, what? Girl, I didn't even know that was there. What is that? I don't know. An extra little washi piece. So that is the initial kit. Fam 3, you're kidding me with these fashion options. The curly hair is freaking stunning. The patterns and the doodles. That, my friends, is it for my, oh my gosh, December 2024 haul. Yikes. I can't believe that's the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed. I already have a nice order from Plannahannah coming for January. It's gonna be so good. But anyway, that is it. Look at these kits. Oh my gosh, let me spread them out. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.